injury. So let's start with the basic. What is complex trauma and what is sports injury, and how these two terms are different from sprains and fractures?
Right. So complex trauma is any fracture which happens around the joint, or if it is happening in your long bone. It is severely fractured, and with complex trauma you don't just mean accident and injury to the bone. There are a lot of soft tissues around the bone, so they also get injured. Sometimes the blood vessels, the nerves also get injured. That is how the fracture becomes complex. It becomes a little more complicated,
and that's why it's named as complex.
Correct.
Okay.
So mainly what people understand by complex fracture is that the fracture is around the joint, which is very important to treat rightly. Otherwise the patient will land up with joint problems like osteoarthritis. So if the patient has fracture around the knee joint and it is not treated properly, the joint is not put back in its place properly, then the patient will have early osteoarthritis. So we have seen patients who have been treated, 20-25 years old boys who have got an accident, did not get treated properly. Now they have osteoarthritis in the age of 30-35 years old. So the only option if you have severe osteoarthritis is joint replacement.
Okay.
Which now is changing again with the recent advances in regenerative medicine. So